go?
Count down.
Okay, we got some kind of fire because we like to record fires.
Syphilis.
Syphilis. Check 1, check 2.
On mic.
Syphilis, check. Check on the mic.
1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2. Check 1, 2. Get in the lane where we can see it better. All I see is the back of this truck.
You with the lanes?
Oh yeah, you got this trailer, huh? You got it. Get close to it so we can. Ooh.
Fingerprints.
That's what he said on his thing?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Fucking fingerheads and shit.
Man, that thing's fucking. What is it? Can you see it?
That's the wood for.
It's Godzilla! Oh yeah, I see the flames, dog. There's definitely flames there.
This is gay.
It's flaming.
Flaming flamboyant by fire.
Get it through the windshield. Man, all these cars in the way. Fags. Look at that guy go down the side. He's like, fuck everybody. I ain't got time for this shit. I do. What's that? Is that a helicopter ride? No? What was that? Oh, it's a crack. It's a crack in your windshield. Oh yeah, man. That thing is going up.
Dude, the fucking fire department's just barely in there.
I see the flames. It's not really good on the cameras. Doesn't really. Every time I go with you, I see fires. They are raping your mind. Yeah, I can see the flames.
Fire!
Man, what the?
Burn, motherfucker! Burn!
Oh yeah, man.
Come on, everybody! Come on, party people! Looking like you don't care.
Maybe I can get a better video outside the window on. We're running. We got a Jamaican bobsled team. But alright, that's good. Not really. People are just driving by like it ain't shit, huh?
It ain't shit, dude. It's tech heaven's gone.
It's like we've seen it all before, let's just keep going. Oh man. Wow.
Yeah!
Yes.
More action! Go get 'em, boys.
Yeah. Oh wow. Bad day on the road. Jesus.
The truck's already fucking gone. Look at that front of the truck.
Wow.
You can see the grill, dude. That truck fucking dissipated, dude. Dude.
Wow.
That engine is gone, dude.
Damn. Wow.